Hi there. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the event details section. This can be found on the left-hand side, just here. So if I click into the event details, we can have a look at the sorts of details that we can change for our event. So we've got the obvious things such as event title. And then beneath that, if you have the multi-stage feature, you'll be able to see the different names of the different stages in your event. And from here, you can change those names if you need to. If you need another stage to be added, just contact us and we'll add one for you. Below that, we can see the event abbreviation. So this is shown typically at the top of the screen for submitters and reviewers, so that they can see which event they're looking at. So this is a very useful thing to have. We can also see the notification email. So this will be the reply to email address of all of your emails you send from the Oxford Abstracts system. If the email address has not been verified, like this one, you'll see that there's a note that shows underneath and gives you the option to send a verification email. This is highly recommended because it will improve the deliverability of the emails sent for your event. Beneath that, we've got some optional fields such as venue, telephone number, and website. Then we have some key dates. So you've got your event start date and your event end date. And then for each stage, if you have the multi-stage feature, you can add in different key dates, such as the submission deadline, the review deadline, and the outcome notification date. Going down, we can see the option to upload a logo. So this will appear on the top of your forms for things like the submission forms and the review forms. And if we click into the More Options section, you can see that we have the option to enable the API. If you don't know what this is, don't worry, it's not something you're going to need to use. But if you do want to use the API and you understand what an API is, we have a host of different endpoints people can hit and then receive data about your event. If you want more information on this, contact us and we'll take you through it. Below this, we've got an event code. This is really just for your own purposes, so it doesn't really interact with the Oxford Abstracts software. Then we have the option for the Eventbrite integration. This will be covered in a separate video, but essentially this allows you to set up an event on Eventbrite and then use the list of delegates from the Eventbrite as your delegates in Oxford Abstracts. Then the last option is we can edit the country list. So this is the list of countries that are available when people are filling out their affiliations, or maybe it's the chairs and their affiliations. So we have a default list. You can change any of the countries in the list if you want to change the spelling or anything like that. You can also add, you can also break it up into different sections if you like. And so you can have a heading such as Europe, and then you can put the European countries beneath that, like this. Okay, so this summarizes the event details for your event. Thank you for watching.